Hello, I'm back with one more sentence. Here we go. Sentence is citing evidence that the carbon dioxide content of the atmosphere has increased more than 7% in the last 30 years. Many scientists have expressed a fear of destroying forests, and continued use of fossil fuels will cause an irreversible shift in Earth's climatic pattern. All right, here it is destroying forests and it is continued use of. So here both are not parallel. Why? It is present participle, it's mean action in process, and here it is past participle, it's mean action over. So sense is not clear. A out. Now B, many scientists have expressed a fear that destruction of forests and continued use of fossil fuels. So find destruction and use. Correct parallelism. So B is okay. Many scientists have expressed a fear that destruction of forests and using. Same problem, destruction and using not parallel. So C out. D incorrect modifier because evidence should modify scientists, not fear. That's why D and E out. B is best choice.